Be out of here in the snow, my boy Cam.
You already know we're posted up with this new Big Bertha here.
Fuck yeah, Big Bertha ain't got no issues in the snow, boy. Yeah.
Do it. You got it.
With this chick.
Look at the gold guy. Look at this chick.
My tinted windows can't save me.
Oh! Oh! Look at.
Oh, the friend we Kia. Yo.
Look at the Kia. Look at the Kia.
Dude, I see him. He's a boy.
He's pushing.
He's trying to help, bro. This cop's gonna be pitied. This cop's mad pissed. Oh man, this is fucked up.
The plow just drives by, doesn't even bother to help.
Hope that cop doesn't give a fuck about my car. He's probably gonna be a bitch. Oh, Jetta guy still can't make it. He's stuck right there. This guy's going.
Yeah. Keep pushing.
Maybe we'll push Kia guy because he's being nice. Oh man, people need to know how to drive in the snow. Oh, this Volvo's gonna have no issues. This Subaru and Volvo, they're boys. Yo, look at this Volvo. He's just spinning tight. Fucking knows what's good. Hell yeah, bitch. She fucking knows what's good. Oh my god, dude. Uh-oh. Ooh, sounds pretty good. Thing sounds pretty good. I like the way that sounds. I hope it's rear wheel drive. Oh. Fuck yeah, you faggot. Look at this fucking dumb bitch. Yo, smooth off your fucking snow, you dumbass. Are you shitting me?
I'm so fucking mad at us.
Clear off your snow.